each be standing on the back of that speedboat as it races down the lake. You will each grab a hold of the ladder and climb inside the helicopter. All right, give me a prediction. How fast are you gonna do this?
A minute?
A minute? Come on, you can do it quicker than that. Look at you.
Really?
Give me some, flex those guns. Look at you, come on. You might be able to do it in like 3 seconds.
Less than a minute.
Good luck to you.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. Oh, there she goes. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Here she goes. She's moving. Oh, we might have another one. Oh, that's it. So what are you gonna do differently than them?
Well, I'm gonna try to flip myself over and hang, you know, put my feet on and
Yeah?
then climb up. That's what I'm gonna do different. I'm gonna climb.
You're just gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. No
All right,
problem.
I'm rooting for you.
We'll see.
I'm rooting
We'll
for
see.
you.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
Thanks.
Let's go, Peaches. Don't
She's locked her
fall.
feet in.
Don't fall, Peaches.
Oh, we might have a girl in.
No, she's close to the helicopter
She's tough,
now.
man.